As expected and predicted in the Asia session update today, gold and silver both traded bullish. We have seen silver hitting 3050 levels, while gold has also seen 2346. Now, what to expect with the US session and with the data coming in before the US session? How to profit, where to enter, where to everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. First update I'll release with the Asian Europe session. The subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Like, share, and comment, which is always a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. On the hourly charts, you can see, first of all, look at the rise here, then the retracement taking the support from the 20 period. We have seen gold rising. Again, it has come down to take the support from the 20 period moving average. And see, after consolidation, this was the breakout. It has retraced and it is again trading in this channel. The highs of the channel are towards 2350 levels, and in fact, it can trade further bullish. In fact, it can trade beyond 2350 as well. But where to buy? I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 2342 levels, but then 2346, 45, 46 first resistance, or rather I will say 48, 50 should be ideally the first resistance level. If it stays above 2342, we can look forward to 23, 48, 50 levels at the first. Stochastic here has dropped, trying to rise here. If you look at the MACD, this is trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness. RSI is comfortable. Nothing much is there to say on RSI. If you look at the 2-hour chart, similar observation. See, moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness. We have seen good consolidation. Prices have seen a rise, and now it has retraced and seen the support here from the 20 period moving average. Now, this is very, very important for it to break below 2330, 2330, 25 zone. If in any case gold stays below 2330, 2325 zone, you can say that it is turning bearish. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is flat. On the 3-hour charts, look at the preceding candle. See, there was a stronger push from the upside. Then we have seen a retracement candle, and also this is closed in green. Now forming lower highs, it is trying to. So possibility of a bearish candle exists, but I will not treat this as bearish as long as 2325, 2330 zone is respected. This is going to be extremely important support zone for gold here on the downside. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is bullish. RSI is flat. On the 4-hour charts, if now look at the 4-hour chart, see, preceding two candles comes with lower highs. See, the preceding candle was a bearish candle, but you can see the body size is less than, in fact, 40% of the complete move suggests that the prices are not willing to stay bearish. Second thing is, yes, it has left a little tail. It can try to drop a little. It may get a little support at around 2335, 36, and then in fact 2330 levels, and from these levels also it can completely reverse. So be watchful here. As long as 2330, 25 zone is not taken, we should not be treating gold as bearish. Stochastic flat near to top. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is running flat. And on the day. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 30-second mentorship batch starting soon. 31st batch started last week. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. Else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals also you can profit. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade safe, secure, and yes, which offers a step-free account at the lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, on the daily charts, you will find the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement. Now see, earlier in the day I have mentioned lower highs, lower lows are seen. It is trying to trade in this channel. The highs of this channel are close to 2350 levels here. The next observation here on the daily charts is, see, consistently it is forming higher lows. What has happened in last couple of days? We have seen it retracing, then a pullback, then a consolidation, and this breakout. So it is still having bullishness intact, and I see that it may try to trade in this zone 2348.50, or in fact 2355, and then 2360 levels are also appears to be achievable here. Stochastic rising back to overbought. Look at MACD. This is crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, and it can continue to diverge from the current levels. Look at this. So we can possibly look forward to a reversal. RSI rising. So looking, I will recommend you to buy gold. If you see it is staying at 2342, we can above 42. You can buy here and expect 2348.50 at the first target zone, 2354.5, 55 at the next, and then we can look forward to 2362.5, 2365 levels. You need to strictly trail your stop losses. On the downside, a selling entry now I will recommend is at 2330. 28 zone somewhere here, and then the next support levels are also very nearby towards 23, 24, 25. Breaking below 23, 24, 25, you can say that the bears are back and we can look forward to 23, 18 and lower levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly chart. See, moving averages are divergent, moving averages are bullish, rise, retracement, and it is trying to form a symmetry. If you divide this into two, it appears that it may try to move towards 30, 40, 30, 50 levels again, forming a double top here. So yes, at that point we have to be watchful. It can reverse from those levels. But right now I can see that it is forming higher lows, higher highs. Thus, if you see it is staying below 30, 10 levels, 30, 10, 30, 29.95 are two stronger support for silver here on the downside. If and only if you see it is staying below 29.95, you can take a sell for 29.8075 first target, 29.60 as the next. Else it is still not to be treated bearish. Stochastic at bottom, MACD has seen a good rise. It is trying to cross over. It has not yet crossed over. It is still in green. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, coming to 2. See, moving averages have crossed over here. Good sign for the bulls here. But only thing here is the divergence of the price from the moving average. So it can try to retrace a little, can try to move towards 29.80 levels as well. But I will only recommend you to sell here. Yes, you can sell here at 30.10 itself, but then 30, 29.95, 29.80 are going to be very strong support here. Stochastic dropping from the top. The MACD is in green. RSI is near to overbought zone. Coming to 3 hour. Look at 3 hour charts. Moving averages crossing over here. Sign of bullishness. And you can see that on the 3 hour chart. See, right now we can see a preceding candle was a swing candle. I will not treat this as bullish as long as 30-40 levels are not taken. Beyond 30-40 is where you can buy here and expect it to move towards 30-60, 30-80 and $31 levels. Possibilities there. I will show you on the daily charts. Now see, on the 3 hour charts, it is consolidated and trying to give a breakout and stay bullish. So do not treat this as bearish as long as 29.60, 29.40 zone is not taken on the downside. The stochastic dropping from the overbought levels. MACD bullish. RSI near to overbought levels here. Coming to 4 hour. See, on the 4 hour charts, you can find out higher lows, lower highs. We have to wait for it to come out of this consolidation zone, which means 20, 30, 15 levels should be ideal for us. 30, 15, 30, 10 level should be ideal for us to take a selling entry. But then we have to be very cautious on the downside. I will say that for the day, it is still not bearish. It may try to take a dip and then bounce back. This is what we can expect. Moving averages have crossed over here. This is certainly sign of bullishness. If you look at stochastic, this is overbought. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is flat near to top. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily chart. See, bullish candle here, couple of consolidation, first breakout candle, and now 20 period moving average is a support. With that as support, it is trying to show a little rise and little bullishness. If you look at the formation here, see, this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. Where are the highs for this channel? Somewhere near to 30, 80, $31 levels. It can try to hit the zone, and if you see silver is staying beyond 31, we can say that the bulls are back and a stronger rise and a rally can be expected. Yes, it should be considered as a nice flag formation. The stochastic rising, MACD has hit the lows here. If you look at the waves, this bearish part of this wave is done, and if it crosses over, it can lead to stronger bullish movement. RSI is turned flat and trying to rise. So looking at this, buying entries are very simple at 30-40 levels. Expect 30-55, 30-60 first target zone, 30-80 and then 30-95, 31. A possibility is there that it can try to go closer towards 30-80, 31 zone. If it breaks out beyond 30-40, bullish momentum is going to prevail. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 30-10. You can sell there. 30-15, 30-10 itself you can sell. Expect 29.95, very good support. 29.80, 29.75 the next. And then we can look forward to 29.60, 29.50 zone as the strongest support here. Below 29.60, 29.50 zone is where the bears will take over. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session.